Hello and welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official 5 Minutes of Freddy's cookbook. Today we're making Glamrock Freddy's fully loaded hot dogs. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what I make next in the comments below. You start off this recipe by making the relish, which requires 2 to 3 medium gherkins finely chopped, 5 pickled jalapenos finely chopped, half a small red onion finely chopped, a teaspoon of honey, a teaspoon of whole grain or Dijon mustard, and half a teaspoon chopped dill. I am aware these are not jalapenos, but they work just as well and we had them and they need to be used up, so. Now you just mix all the ingredients together and you're good to go. Now you're going to want to cook 2 bacon slices until nice and crispy, and then you can cook the hot dogs afterwards. I just got my dad 2 barbecue hot dogs because he's good at barbecuing and barbecue hot dogs taste better. And finally, just cut up your bacon into nice little chunks and you're good to go. And finally, to assemble your hot dog, you're going to want to put some sauerkraut first, and then you want to put the hot dog, the relish, the bacon, and some ketchup and mustard. And these were pretty good. I wouldn't say they're my favorite hot dogs ever. I much prefer having sliced olives on my hot dogs. It's really good if you haven't tried it. I recommend it, unless you don't like olives, which is fair. But I would give these like 7.5 out of 10.